Welcome to the gates of hell, officially known as the Darvaza Gas Crater, located in Turkmenistan. This fiery pit has been burning for over 50 years and is one of the most dangerous places on Earth. The crater was created in 1971 when a drilling rig accidentally tapped into a natural gas cavern, causing the ground to collapse. To prevent the spread of methane gas, scientists set it on fire, expecting it to burn out in a few weeks. But it's been burning ever since. Despite its mesmerizing beauty, the gates of hell is extremely dangerous. The intense heat can reach up to 1,000 degrees Celsius, making it dangerous to get too close. The ground around the crater is unstable and could collapse without warning. If you dare to visit, always keep a safe distance and never walk on the fragile crust. Falling in could be fatal, as the flames consume everything in their path. While the Darvaza Gas Crater is a captivating natural wonder, its dangers are very real. Admire from afar and respect the power of nature's inferno. Comment if you dare to go.